What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a 2024 Toyota RAV4 started if the key fob dies. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. If I try to start the RAV4 as I normally would, it's not going to start, and I'm going to get a message on the dash saying key not detected, check key location. So what I'm going to do is grab my key fob, and I'm going to come over here and I'm going to press the stop start button. Then I'm going to hold the key fob up to the stop start button and you'll hear a beep and then some lights will illuminate on the dash. You can see the dash kind of lit up. And now I'm ready to start the vehicle as normal. So brake, stop start button. And once the vehicle is started, you can drive as you normally would. And then the only other thing you'll want to do is replace the battery in your key fob as soon as you can. And I'll put a link in the description box of this video on how to replace the battery in this key fob in case you're unfamiliar. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.